This is a review of the Beko Fridge Freezer. Opening up the main compartment, it's got a temperature control at the top. It's got a half shelf and two full shelves, a bottle rack, and a shelf over the cooler box. The only thing to say is that this is the default settings for the shelves, and closing the door with two full bottles of water in, actually the door won't close straight away. There's a gap, so you have to push it closed. So I think we'll move that shelf up probably to here, because there's a gap in the door for that. This has got a water cooler feature. Water goes in the top. You can open it from the clips at the side, top lift off, and the whole thing, once the top closes off, it's lifts out really easily for cleaning. Pop this in. In the main door, we've got some trays, which we've put some Coke in. Unfortunately, none of the shelves are quite tall enough to fit a can of Coke between, so the only places to put them is either in the door or on this top shelf, but then you've got the half shelf obscuring it behind. So that's the main compartment. Moving down into the freezer. The freezer has a top drawer for some ice, with an ice tray that came with the freezer. It's then got 4 drawers, one full size drawer, 2 full size drawers, and a slightly smaller drawer at the bottom.